I've never known tears like these before, stinging my face like a pepper spray. Can't stop the flow, it's a waterfall. The current takes and I start to wash away. I could drown if I stay here. I could drown in my own tears. So I'll float away on my box of souvenirs, and I will wave goodbye, my dear. We never knew how to row our boat, spinning around so unevenly, soaking me through with your every stroke, until we found we were drifting hopelessly. I could drown if I stay here. I could drown